Agentic AI. Agentic AI, agents, is a very big deal. As you know, in the beginning, with pre-trained models, people said, but it hallucinates. It makes things up. You're absolutely right. It doesn't have access to the latest news and data information. Absolutely right. It gives up without reasoning through problems. It's as if every single answer has to be memorized from the past. You're absolutely right. All of those things, why is it trying to figure out how to add or count numbers and add numbers? Why doesn't it use a calculator? You're absolutely right. And so all of those capabilities associated with intelligence, everybody was able to criticize, but it was absolutely right because everybody largely understands how intelligence works. But those technologies were being built all around the world, and they were all coming together from retrieval augmented generation to web search to multimodal understanding so that you can read PDFs, go to a website, look at the images and the words, listen to the videos, watch the videos, and then take all of that understanding into your context. You could also now understand, of course, a prompt from almost anything. You could even say, I'm going to ask you a question, but start from this image. I could say, start from this text before you answer the question or do what I ask you to do. It then goes off and reasons and plans and evaluates itself. All of those capabilities are now integrated. You can see it coming out into the marketplace all over the place. Agentic AI is real. Agentic AI is a giant step function from one-shot AI. The one-shot AI was necessary to lay the foundation so that we can teach the agents how to be agents. You need some basic understanding of knowledge and basic understanding of reasoning to even be able to be teachable. And so pre-training is about teachability of AI. Post-training, reinforcement learning, supervised learning, human demonstration, context provision, generative AI, all of that is coming together to formulate what is now agentic AI. Let's take a look at one example. Let me show you something. It's built on Perplexity, and it's super cool.
AI agents are digital assistants. Based on a prompt, they reason through and break down problems into multi-step plans. They use the proper tools, work with other agents, and use context from memory to properly execute the job on NVIDIA accelerated systems. It starts with a simple prompt. Let's ask Perplexity to help start a food truck in Paris. First, the Perplexity agent reasons through the prompt and forms a plan. Then, calls other agents to help tackle each step using many tools. The market researcher reads reviews and reports to uncover trends and analyze the competitive market. Based on this research, a concept designer explores local ingredients and proposes a menu complete with prep time estimates, and researches palettes and generates a brand identity. Then, the financial planner uses Monte Carlo simulations to forecast profitability and growth trajectory. An operations planner builds a launch timeline with every detail, from buying equipment to acquiring the right permits. The marketing specialist builds a launch plan with a social media campaign and even codes an interactive website, including a map, menu, and online ordering. Each agent's work comes together in a final package proposal, and it all started from a single prompt.
One prompt like that in the original chatbot would have generated a few hundred tokens. But now with that one single prompt into an agent to solve a problem, it must have generated 10,000 times more tokens. This is the reason why Grace Blackwell is necessary. This is the reason why we need performance and the systems to be so much more performant generationally. Well, this is how Perplexity builds their agents. Every company will have to build their own agents. It's terrific. You're going to be hiring agents from OpenAI and Gemini and Microsoft Copilot and Perplexity and Mistral, and there'll be agents that are built for you. And they might help you plan a vacation or go do some research, so on and so forth. However, if you want to build a company, you're going to need specialized agents on specialized tools and using specialized tools and specialized skills. And so the question is, how do you build those agents? And so we created a platform for you. We created a framework and a set of tools that you can use and a whole bunch of partners to help you do it. It starts with, on the very bottom, the ability to have reasoning models that I spoke about. NVIDIA's Nemotron reasoning large language models are world class. We have Nemo Retriever, which is a multimodal search engine, semantic search engine, incredible. And we built a blueprint, a demonstration that is operational, that is essentially a general agent. We call it IQ, AIQ. And on top, we have a suite of tools that allows you to onboard an agent, a general agent, curate data to teach it, evaluate it, guardrail it, supervise, train it, use reinforcement learning, all the way to deployment. Keep it secure, keep it safe. That suite of toolkits is integrated, those libraries are integrated into the AI Ops ecosystem. You can come and download it from our website yourself as well, but it's largely integrated into AI Ops ecosystem. From that, you could create your own special agent.